that person to pass them on. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. I thought I'm going to stop and say hi to all of you, and congratulations to everyone who will put the blanket and scarf on as a replica of not only being born into something, but graduating their classes and everything that they have worked so hard for, and is well deserving of honor, respect, love, dignity, and grace. All my relations.
I think Luke will ask Uncle we'll have a song before we do the honoring ceremony, and just to follow through with another tradition that we've just learned, singing and drumming. Lekeyten was lucky as a young boy to see it as he was growing up, because in our grandparents' day, it was a tradition that was hidden and kept secret, because they weren't allowed to do their own songs or their sharing or even coming together. So the parenting program brought those historic things back to life, and that's what I loved about learning with this. Being gentle to the parents, because a lot of parents said, I don't know who I am. I don't know where I come from, and I don't know what to say to my kids. And even the foster parents want to say something to their kids. And I want us to share a song with you, because there was a time when they first started drumming at Kwantlen. We used to hide behind each other and just sort of like lip sync with somebody. But now it's so cool to see our people and our children just sing our songs at the top of their lungs, and we don't have to be pretty singers. We can just sing from our heart and our good thoughts and good heart. I'll let Lekeyten go. No, I'm just gonna ask these fellows if we could, or is that all natural with the pounding of nails?
No, they can. I think one of the benefits of this microphone is that it can.
You can edit.
Well, it can.
Oh yeah.
Block out outside noises.
Oh, cool.
One of its selling points, so to speak.
Okay.
Which is why I was so.
Heartbeat song?
Heartbeat.
Heartbeat song. Heartbeat song has always been the heartbeat of our nations, to every direction in the north, the west and the south, and especially the east, and all the directions in between. Many of us, we like to hear the songs when our traditions begin, because that's where life begins. When our matriarchs begin life inside them, that heartbeat starts, and it goes until our last breath, our last sigh.
Everyone, and remind all our parents and our little ones, all my relation means we're related to everything. We're related to the land, to the trees, to the clouds, to the sun, to the rain, the rocks, the dirt, everything, the bees, the mosquitoes. We're going to have those pretty soon. Little mosquitoes will be buzzing about. And I want you all to know that I'm really glad that you joined us with this song and that you're doing this video, Luke. I'm very, very touched by that, because a lot of our stuff isn't captured that way. And we just do it. We just do the work. But what we're doing is important because it doesn't happen often enough. And I'm really proud that Luke has agreed to do the videos for us, and especially the ceremony that we're going to share with the parents. So I know you witnessed the mom and dad and the children the week before with the ceremony. So just reminding you again about the blanketing ceremony. Usually what happens if we were in a longhouse or out on the land in a park or in a very sacred space, and this is our sacred space. It's Josette's sacred space and Luke's sacred space that we're sharing these songs and the words on it because we're lucky to be with Josette and Luke today at their home, and this probably is the first time this happened on their area. I don't know, but I'm just going to say that I want to thank all the parents, because I know you love Josette as much as I do, and Lekeyten as well. And so I'm going to explain. We have when we're preparing for a ceremony, it's like preparing for a wedding. Traditionally, if the parents were being honored, they honor the babies when they come into the world, into the community. They have a baby welcoming ceremony. That's coming back again amongst the territories. And we still have yet to have one in Kwantlen, but I know that I am going to encourage them, and as well as Lekeyten and Tsakwiah and wiyé.nox, that we're going to talk to our leadership that we have baby welcoming ceremonies and honor our new babies that are joining our people, and everything that comes with being born into a community. You end up having that honoring, the love of the community,